Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, I welcome you all. We are talking and we are discussing about NPS, National Pension Scheme. We have seen that PFRDA regulates it and there are two types of account. One is Tier 1 and Tier 2. The benefits of NPS we have discussed in recent session. The topic about which we will be talking today is Tier 2 account. How a small investor can take the benefit of Tier 2 account, or what are the details of Tier 2 account we will try to see in today's session. When we are talking about Tier 2 account, to open a Tier 2 account you need to have the Tier 1 account first. Earlier we have seen that Tier 1 account is a mandatory account. To invest in NPS account, Tier 1 account is compulsorily you need to have, and if even if you want to go for Tier 2, Tier 1 is mandatory. Minimum contribution or the amount with which you can start the investments in NPS or to have the Tier 2 account is rupees 1000. In case of Tier 1 account, you need to open the account with rupees 500. So this is a difference, 500 and 1000. Then subsequent contribution you can do in Tier 2 account. Minimum amount per contribution is 250, where in Tier 1 there was 500. So this is a difference. There is no requirement of minimum balance for central government, or whenever you want to have the tax benefit, like in ELSS scheme. There is a, what is ELSS? There is a separate video on our YouTube channel for the ELSS. One can check it out to know more. Like in ELSS, to have the tax benefit, you need to put their money for 3 years. For FD in a bank, to have the tax benefit, you need to put their money for 5 years. There are separate rules for national saving certificate, for LIC, for PF, for various tools. So if you want to put money in Tier 2, where there is a no compulsion of withdrawal or putting their money, or no compulsion, that means you can withdraw money at any time. But still, if you want to have the benefit of tax in this, then you need to put their money for at least 3 years. This is one of the important rules. But if you don't want to have the tax benefit, then how the taxation will happen? Then it will be treated as a mutual funds. The experts of this field says that if there are various options, auto, active, aggressive, moderate, you can put money in equity, debt, government securities. As it happens in mutual fund, if the contribution equity more, then it will be treated as a equity, and if not, then it will be treated as a debt. Just like that, taxation will happen here. LTCG in equity, according to the, like just like mutual funds, if your gain, if your gain is more than 1 lakh rupees, if it is below 1 lakh rupees, then story will be different. But if your gain is more than 1 lakh rupees, then LTCG will be 10% without indexation. What is indexation? You can check it out our YouTube channel for the same. There is a separate video for indexation also. But in debt category, in equity the short term is 1 year, and in debt it is for 3 years. So definition changes in terms of year also in debt and equity. So with indexation 20%, and for short term according to your tax law. So Tier 2 account, whenever you want to take out money, put money, you can do according to that. What are the pros and cons? That withdrawal you can do it anytime, no minimum balance required, separate nomination facilities there. Whether in Tier 1, these two things are not possible. The money is blocked till age of 60. In Tier 2 you can withdraw money anytime. Easy transfer from Tier 2 to Tier 1. No heavy exit load, option to have a different investment plans, just like Tier 1. You can go for equity, debt, other investment options. You can have it in Tier 2 also. Expense ratio of debt is very minimal in comparison with the mutual fund, so it is one of the biggest advantage. But what is a problem, or what are the cons? That there is a no specific clarity. Though we have seen the details about taxation, but there is a no specific clarity about it. That keeps the most of the investors away from Tier 2. So today we will stop here. We will come up with some different and interesting topic with the same in the same domain. Thank you very much for liking our sessions. All the sessions are coming to you by BSc IPF and SEBI, so don't forget to say them thanks. Write your name along with your email address in the comment section. Also, the same topic is available in Hindi and Marathi. Check out our YouTube channel for that. Thank you very much.